Hi guys, welcome to today's session, and today we are going to discuss about the Pulse Polio program. And in this session, we'll first see what is polio, then we'll discuss about the spread symptoms and the prevention of polio, and then we'll discuss about the vaccines available, and then we'll discuss the Pulse Polio program of India, and then we'll discuss why India still runs Pulse Polio program even though it is a polio free country. So this is how I plan this session. Let's now start. So friends, the WHO defines polio or poliomyelitis as a highly infectious viral disease which mainly affects young children. And the virus is transmitted by person to person, spread mainly through the fecal oral route or less frequently by a common vehicle, and multiplies in the intestine. From where it can invade the nervous system and cause paralysis. And initial symptoms of polio include fever, fatigue, headache, vomiting, stiffness in the neck, and pain in the limbs, etc. And in a small proportion of cases, the disease causes paralysis, which is often permanent. And there is no cure for polio. It can only be prevented by immunization. So this is the polio, basic idea about the polio. Now we discuss the spread and symptoms and also the prevention mechanism for the polio. The virus is transmitted by person to person, mainly through fecal oral route. We discussed it, and less frequently by a common vehicle, for example, through contaminated water or food. And it largely affects children under 5 years of age. And the virus multiplies in the intestine, from where it can invade the nervous system and cause paralysis. And symptoms, most people with polio do not feel sick. Some people have only minor symptoms such as fever, tiredness, we discussed in the initial part of this lecture. And it can be cough, stiffness in the neck and back, and the pain in the arms and legs, etc. And in rare cases, it causes permanent loss of muscle function. And polio can be fatal if the muscles used for breathing are paralyzed, or if there is an infection of the brain. And for the prevention and cure, there is no cure. It can be prevented through immunization only. And now we'll discuss what are the vaccines available for the preventing the polio. So friends, the first vaccine is oral polio vaccine. It is given orally as a birth dose for institutional deliveries. Then primary 3 doses at 6, 10 and 14 weeks, and one booster dose at 16 to 24 months of age. And we have injectable polio vaccine. It is introduced as an additional dose along with the third dose of DPT, that is diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus, under the universal immunization program. And to prevent the virus from coming to India, the government has since March 2014 made oral polio vaccine mandatory for those traveling between India and polio affected countries. So these are the vaccine mechanism. Now we'll discuss in detail about the Pulse Polio program. India launched Pulse Polio immunization program in 1995 after a resolution for a global initiative of polio eradication was adopted by World Health Assembly in 1988, and children in the age group of 0 to 5 years are administered polio drops during national and sub-national immunization rounds every year. And India is polio free now. According to the Ministry of Health, the last polio case in the country was reported from Howrah district of West Bengal in January 2011. And WHO on February 2012 removed India from the list of countries with active endemic with wild polio virus transmission. And 2 years later, the Southeast Asia region of WHO, of which India is a part, was certified as polio free. So that is the present status. Now we'll discuss why India still runs the Pulse Polio program. The Indian policymakers continue to focus on polio, though the Southeast Asian region, including India, became polio free in 2014. This is because the threat of resurgence is real and can happen in two ways. As of today, two countries, Pakistan and Afghanistan, still have circulating polio, and the polio virus can cross borders easily through adults who show no symptoms. And in 2011, 10 years after becoming polio free, China's Xinjiang province saw 21 cases of paralytic polio with two deaths. And once we stop the remaining two viruses, that is WPV1 and WPV3, in their tracks, the oral polio vaccine will be phased out and replaced globally with the injected polio vaccine, IPV. So that is why India still runs the pulse polio program. We cannot taken it for granted. And guys, that's all for today, and it is a very important topic. Anytime they can ask a question about the polio virus. And that's all for today. We'll meet tomorrow with another topic. Thank you for watching this lesson.